I hope. That's the plan. Yeah, my plans usually go awry though. It's going to be loads of fun, or at least I think so. It's also a bit confusing though. Not gonna lie. Well, hello my lovely nestlings and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki. I'm 44, from the Netherlands. Hence the accent. Yes, you are seeing me in black and white, but trust, I am looking fabulous, as I usually do. If you want to see this in full color, hold on, because I will tell you how you can see it in just a minute. I'm kind of confused. Why am I confused? Because this is a very special collab with one of my good friends here on the internet called Uli. Her channel name is Makeupmonsterly. If you don't know who she is, you will in just a second. I said this was a special one, didn't I? Because what is going to happen in just a second, you will stop seeing my gorgeousness and you will start seeing her gorgeousness. Because this is not only a face-off, it is also a takeover. Yes, you heard it correctly. It's not a hostile one though, because we kind of both agreed to it. In just a minute, you will get to meet Uli. You will see her look, her face-off look with the Feet on the Ground palette by Mitchel. If you want to see this in full Technicolor, you need to go over to Uli's channel and watch the video. Because yeah, she's taking over my channel, I'm taking over her channel. It's going to be loads of fun, or at least I think so. It's also a bit confusing though. Not gonna lie. So, the makeup that will be in the description box is Uli's. Because you don't know what I look like, because I look black and white, besides the fact that I'm using the Mitchel palette, the green Mitchel palette. So if you want to know what I have on my face and my final look, go over to her channel, but watch this video first. The time has come. Grab a drink, grab a snack, put your feet up and give a big nestling welcome to my dear friend Uli, because here she comes.
What she said. Yes, guys, it is time, as Nikki said, for our second collab. We are doing basically a face-off challenge. If you don't know what that is, face-off challenge is basically palette bingo between the two YouTubers. So we pick one eyeshadow palette that we have in common and we generate the shades, you know, by this special app or whatever, like I don't know what Nikki uses. And then we create a look based on those shades that we drawn, and you just you know, the thing is, the excitement is in the what kind of version each person is going to create. Yeah, that's right. I feel like, what the hell is this? Can I like tuck it in there? Is it better? Just a little bit. So as you can see, I'm already in the Christmas mood because it's about damn time. It is December. I wanted to create something else for you guys, but I ordered a blanket, like a Christmassy blanket through Amazon, but it's not yet delivered. So I just had to fix something Christmassy myself. Yeah, that's just the way it rolls. Sometimes production fails. So the palette, hold on, let me grab it. Yeah. Okay, so this thing is gonna be like dingly ding the whole time. I hope you're not getting bothered. So the palette that we had in common is the, well, we have a lot of palettes in common, but this one, like we wanted to do this one because it has a lot of shades in them. It is a green eyeshadow palette, so, you know, Christmas vibe. That's what we went for. Let me just show you, by the way, what kind of shades we generated. And I'm a little bit scared because Nikki sent me numbers and I don't know what those numbers are. So I am going to count them now. I'm going to put the swatches on my hand and this is going to be our color story that we're going to be playing with. Lord Jesus, take the wheel. Okay, so the shades are, she says, dum, dum, dum. Okay, 2. Oh, okay, I'm already glad with this one. So, okay, number 2. I'm gonna surprise you guys. I'm not going to swatch it like So this is number 2. Okay, so far so good. Then number 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I can count. Ooh, I'm a little bit scared. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then it's 20. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. Why am I saying that? Like, I never say this in other videos. But yeah. Okay, and then the next one is number 3. I can work with that. And 23. So this shade was 20. And then 1, 2, 3. Ooh. I actually use this one. You guys, I think I have it right. Look, if I count it wrong and she actually in her video points out a different color story, something went wrong, okay? Are you guys ready to see the color story that I have to work with today? Okay, so these are the shades. I mean, yeah, it is exciting. It's gonna be a really green look. That's what it's gonna be. I mean, there's nothing else to say about it. Yeah. So we're gonna do our best. By the way, you guys, if you're interested, why is it focusing on my freaking lamp? Focus on my face. Yes, that's better. So if you're wondering what kind of look Nikki created, you can actually check her video out. I will link it down below because we have to post this on the same day, on the same hour, at the same time, basically. So yeah, and I think let's get into struggling. Oh, this is gonna be a challenge. I have absolutely no idea how am I going to put that on my eyes. Okay, so I already prepped my eyes. That's that. What am I gonna do? So we have a shimmer. We have, well, the rest is a matte, which is good. We have a darker shade. We have, well, actually we have 2 darker shades. I think I know what I'm going to do. I don't want to go too crazy, you know, which always happens. So I will dip into this brown shade and I will start with that one. I don't know where it will take us, but I'm going to try to use this one as my first shade, transition shade, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Oh, we are going smoky. I think so. I'm not sure yet, but... So basically, this is a really creative challenge. I'm not enjoying the way it looks right now here, but I hope it's gonna get better. I'm just gonna try to kind of create this fluffed out shape to the upper corner of my tail of my brow, basically. Oh, look at that. If I had eyes like this, that would be so cool. Let me just get this back to here. Yes, okay, good, great. I'm gonna try to blend it. Where is this going? Like, seriously, like where is this going? That's what I'm wondering. Like, I keep staring at this and I don't know where it will go. Okay, let's just do this one right here. I will take a slightly smaller, I mean, look at this pigment, guys. I actually really freaking like this eyeshadow palette because the quality is actually so super good. Like, see, we're going Grinch. Oh, yeah. It is blending well, so I'm kind of like muddying it up a little bit just to make... I'm trying to basically tone it down a little bit. If that ain't a Christmassy look, or yeah, I don't know what. See, the thing is, I don't have, like, I'm not allowed to use other shades. So I have to work with what I have. And I need basically a lighter shade to kind of blend it out a little bit. But I don't have a lighter shade. So I'm going to use just a really clean, what is this called? Brush, a blending brush. Holy shit. I think I had a stroke right there, like a mini stroke. And just gonna blend it like this. Basically trying to soften the edges, blow it out a little bit. I feel like I'm going to deepen the color right now with this shade right here. So the shade called Venom or Venom, I don't know, but that's basically what it is. Hold on. Just adding a little bit more color. I don't know where it will take us, but now it's definitely looking like a Christmas tree. Which I actually don't mind. I think it's kind of awesome with this whole like hat and the backdrop. Why am I saying backdrop all the time? It's not a backdrop, it's a background. There is a little bit of fallout, but we're gonna fix it. Okay, so here we are. Like that. I'm going to take again the blending brush and gonna smooth out the edges. Trust me, guys. It's gonna be good. Like, it's gonna turn out okay. I'm just wondering what Nikki will do. Like, will she go for the same color placement, or will she do something else? We should go like full on green, because I'm trying to kind of tone it down a little bit. I'm going to go back again to that brown, and I'm going to tone it down just a little bit more. Man, if I counted wrong, that's gonna be so bad. Don't worry about this crap. I will fix it, okay? I will. It looks really weird and strange, but it'll be okay. So that's the thing I love about collabs. I love about palette bingo with another YouTuber, because it kind of channels our, how do you say it? Our creativity. And I did our first collab really like months ago. And I thought that was fun. Let's do it again. Let me, hold on. I need to fluff it out. So I wanted like a little bit of an accent, because I'm going for this Christmassy look, and yellow is not a Christmas color. So bear with me here. So, like that. They are so freaking pigmented. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I already did a video on this eyeshadow palette. Like, I did the swatches and eyeshadow base video for this eyeshadow palette. And also I created like a get ready with me video with like the weirdest look that I've ever created. I still don't feel comfortable about that look. So if you are want to check it out, you can. Nikki, by the way, did also eye swatches on this eyeshadow palette, but if you're coming from my channel, you already know that. Is that the thing that we're going for? I think so. I think that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna go with this shimmer color right here right now. Where the hell is it? This one. And just put it all over my eyes. Do I want to use NYX glitter primer? Let's use NYX glitter primer just to make sure that it's going to adhere a little bit better. So by the way, you guys, when I was doing my new background setup, I swear to God, the whole time in my head I had the song, "Have yourself some merry little Christmas," the whole freaking time. And then the next song that came up in my head is, It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. The whole freaking time until I was done with my decorations. Okay, we're... Ooh, yes. This is looking already so much better. Just sometimes my eye is not big enough to get into those... If that's not freaking Christmas, then I don't know what is. The combination with my decor and my hat and the rest of my makeup. Christmas, here I come. Okay, so I'm gonna fluff it out a little bit because there's some glitter particles right here, and just to soften out the edges. Like that, girl, we are getting somewhere. If you're annoyed by this banging the whole time, I'm sorry, but it's kind of fun. You know, it's all a part of me being in a Christmas mood. Should we just only go for... I'm kind of doubting between going for this shade right here, so this one right here, or this one right here. Or if you want to really freaking tone it down, you can choose the brown one, but I don't really want to. So let me just... Or maybe we can do both. We can do like the green and then the teal color like in the corner of our eyes. That's gonna be perfect. Let's do that. Let's do that. Good. I'm trying to stay as close to the lash line as I can, but sometimes that sneaks out. Good. And now I'm going to that green shade and I am going to put that to the rest of my under eye area. Like that. And then we also need a little bit of shimmer. So how am I gonna do it? I'm gonna take just that same brush that I used for the yellow shade, and hopefully there will be some pigment on my brush, and I will put it right here on my lower lash line for that extra Christmas sparkle. Yay! Okay, so this is looking okay, you guys. So it's time to, like, I'm going to clean the under eye area with some concealer, and I'm going to set it, and then we're basically, I'm going to finish off the second eye, put some lashes on, and I'm going to pop back. So hang on tight. Hi guys! So this is the finished look. I mean, I love it. Like, if this does not scream Christmas to you, we did a good job, basically, because although, you know, it feels kind of weird for this yellow color to be on the inner corner, but I feel like the green look is more like a Christmas color than the whole yellow type of situation. So if you are excited to see what Nikki has created, hop on over to my channel and then you will be able to see her creation as well. I know this is really confusing, but yeah, that's just the way it is. So thank you very much, guys, for your attention. I really enjoyed hopping over to Nikki's channel and creating this video. I wish you guys a lot of you know, good vibes, health, and all of that combined. It's Christmas period. Let's keep the happiness in there. And yeah, maybe we can do this a little bit more often in the future. So thank you guys for watching. And well, next video is gonna be like Nikki's video. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.